Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the probability meter indicator for MT4. This indicator calculates a single probability percentage from multiple standard indicators and timeframes to describe how likely a trend direction is. In this video you will learn what it measures, how it is displayed, and what its main strengths and limitations are. The probability meter indicator is a trend tool that combines the outputs of 13 built-in indicators spread across 7 timeframes into one global percentage value. Its goal is to separate higher probability situations from lower probability ones by summarizing this information into a percentage that represents the probability of the current trend direction. On the chart, the probability meter displays its results in a panel showing the calculated trend probability as a percentage. As you can see at the bottom right hand corner, yeah, it shows the percentage as 73% for a long for gold USD. The panel can also show other values such as the mean probability percentage and additional values like a multi-info percentage that further describes the strength of the reading. Internally, the indicator uses 13 standard indicators across 7 timeframes and allows you to optionally enter 2 additional indicators of your choice when encoding it. As you can see in the settings, this Forex Geek article focuses on how the meter's combined formula works and how the probability outputs are interpreted, rather than listing individual MT4 input names. Who is it for? The probability meter indicator is intended for traders of all skill levels who want a technical system that provides clear combined trend probability readings. It's a visual analytical tool only and can sometimes interpret a mere trend correction as a stronger move and may give lagging indications that affect risk to reward if used without confirmation. You can download the probability meter indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek is focused on how its global percentage output summarizes multiple indicators and timeframes into a single trend probability view. If you like combined technical tools such as this one, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.